Can Akitas be trained to be hunting dogs? The Akita is a powerful, dignified, and loyal breed that has gained popularity and admiration around the world. Bred as a hunting dog in Japan, the Akita has a strong and innate prey drive. However, over the years, the breed has transitioned into various roles such as a family companion and a therapy dog. Despite this shift in their purpose, many enthusiasts wonder if Akitas can still be trained to be successful hunting dogs. In this article, we will explore the potential of training Akitas for hunting and discuss the challenges and considerations that come with it. To determine if Akitas can be trained for hunting, it's essential to understand their characteristics and instincts. Akitas are known for their intelligence, independence, and strong-willed nature. They have a natural inclination for hunting small game, and their prey drive can be stimulated by scents and movements. However, it is important to note that the breed's individual temperament and personality play a significant role in their trainability for hunting purposes. Training an Akita for hunting requires patience, consistency, and firmness. Early socialization and obedience training are crucial to ensure their behavior can be controlled in high-stress hunting situations. It is recommended to start training at a young age, as Akitas tend to be more receptive to learning during their puppyhood. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, are effective in motivating the Akita and creating a strong bond between owner and dog. While Akitas have the potential to become skilled hunting dogs, there are several challenges and considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, the breed's large size and strength can pose difficulties when handling them during the hunt. Their strong prey drive may also make them difficult to recall if they become fixated on a scent or target. Additionally, Akitas have a dominant personality, which requires consistent leadership and clear boundaries to prevent them from asserting their own agenda in the field. Furthermore, Akitas possess a strong protective instinct towards their family and territory. This instinct can sometimes interfere with their hunting abilities, as they may prioritize guarding their home rather than focusing on the hunt. It is crucial to strike a balance between their protective nature and their drive to hunt, ensuring they can effectively differentiate between protecting their family and pursuing prey. Another consideration is the local regulations and laws regarding hunting. In some areas, certain dog breeds or types of prey may be restricted or prohibited for hunting. It is essential to familiarize oneself with these regulations to avoid any legal complications or ethical dilemmas. Ultimately, the success of training an Akita to be a hunting dog depends on the commitment, capability, and expertise of the owner. It is important to involve a professional dog trainer with experience in training Akitas for hunting purposes. They can provide guidance, tailor the training program to the individual dog's needs, and help overcome any challenges that may arise during the process. In conclusion, Akitas can indeed be trained to be hunting dogs, given the proper training, socialization, and handling. Their innate prey drive and intelligence make them suitable candidates for hunting, but the challenges posed by their size, dominant personality, and protective instincts should not be underestimated. With the right approach and dedication, an Akita can prove to be a skilled